What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install your Facebook Pixel on your website and verify that it's working. So here I am in the Events Manager tab here. If you navigate to Pixels, I've already created this pixel and I've actually already installed it, but I'm going to show you exactly what you would do and then how to verify it. So here I'm in Pixels. I click on Empirical 360's Pixel. And I go over here to setup. If you're just creating this, it'll walk you through it step by step on setting up the pixel and then installing it. So here I go install pixel, manually install the code yourself, or you can email it to someone, but that's why I'm showing you how to do this. So we're going to manually install it. So here it shows you on an HTML document where you would insert it. A lot of editors today have places where you can drop this pixel, so that might be a skip step, which is what we have. So I'm going to click on this, copy it to my clipboard. I'm going to go here to the back end of our website, and we use Divi as our theme builder. It's kind of like a drag and drop editor slash, you can customize it, but it has this integration tab here, and this is the head tag of our site. So you can see our script is right here, our Facebook script. So all I would do is just paste it in there and then save my changes. And now if you go to the Chrome plugin store, you can install the Facebook Pixel Helper, which you can see right here. And what I do is I visit the site that I want to verify the pixel is working. And this should light up and show that there is a pixel on the site. And it does. So here it's showing the pixel ID right there. And now I can go back to Facebook if I'm really paranoid and verify that it is the same pixel ID. So I did that here, and here is the pixel ID, and it matches the one here in my Facebook Helper Chrome extension. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you next time.